When I was a kid, learning about Islam was like going to the dentist. It was something that I needed to do, but never something I actually wanted to do. My name is Amin Aaser, and I'm the author and creator of Noor Kids. Our goal is to solve that problem. What if kids were genuinely excited? Like they were actually looking forward to learn about Islam every single month. Well, that's exactly what we attempt to do through Noor Kids and our children's books, but also through our online Kids Storytime Khutba. Now, these programs are one of a kind. They're live. Kids all around the world join us as we take these stories along with activities, nasheeds, jokes, and experiments, and we bring them alive in a way that kids love. Now, these programs are free for members, but even if you're not a member, you can still join. The way that you do it is by registering. Either to the left of me or below me, there's a button where you need to register. And when you do, you'll get the details on how you can join. Our next program is coming soon. I really hope that you can join us because your kids deserve it. When I was a kid, nothing like this existed. Learning about Islam was like drinking cough syrup. We've solved that problem. Join us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.